Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your PropStream account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find expired listings in your PropStream account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to search expired listings in PropStream anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're a real estate investor, you know that expired listings are a great opportunity because these sellers have already raised their hand at one point or another that they want to sell their property. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your PropStream dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my PropStream, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to search for expired listings, first you're going to go ahead and enter in your search area right here. So you can do a county, city, zip code. For me, I'm going to go ahead and type in Boise. Okay, I'm going to choose Boise, Idaho. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show all the properties in that search area. You can see there's around 120,000. So to filter these out by expired listings, you're going to click here on filter. Once you click on filter, you're going to see this left menu, and you want to click on MLS. All right, once you click on MLS, you're going to scroll down to this section right here, MLS status, and you want to click on show all. Okay, so if you're looking for expired listings, you can click on expired, but generally when I'm searching, I'm going to go ahead and click on expired, failed, and withdrawn, because to me, those are similar to expired, and really depending on how they log it in their MLS, it could be different. So let me go ahead and click on these: canceled, expired, withdrawn, failed. Okay, so you can see that drops it down to about 4,853. And for me, I'm going to go ahead and go back to 1 year. So I'm going to click right here, MLS status date, and you can put a date here. So for me, I would just go back to 1 year. Let's see, 1 year would be May. Okay, now it's going to go ahead and filter out. So we have 374 properties that have added this MLS status within the past year. Now, if you want something more recent, you can go ahead and click right here and change that to within the past week, within the past 2 weeks. So I guess this is if you're looking for something fresh. All right, so once you filter that down, you can even filter it even more depending on what your buy box is. So for example, me personally, I like to buy single family residences. So I'll click here on property details, and then residential, and then single family. So it went from 374 down to 240. So I'm not going to waste my time or my marketing budget on these other homes that really aren't in my buy box. And if you want, you can keep filtering down even more. So maybe you can go ahead and filter this out by folks that are in pre-foreclosure. You can go ahead and separate by equity. So we click here on equity, and then maybe I want a minimum of 50% equity in the property. So that drops it down to 133. So there's a lot of different ways you can search for expired listings, but the main one are the first, check the status of the MLS, and then how long ago the status was changed. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to find expired listings with your PropStream account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.